Hi guys, and today it was raining and then suddenly it turned into snow and big humongous snowflakes are falling right now. Just look at those big snowflakes coming down. It was actually raining but it turned into snow. Look at it coming down. Oh my god. They're huge chunks coming down. I wonder why huge chunks are coming down instead of little snowflakes. Ah! Oh my god. Looking at the sky, it's just plain gray, but you can see all the snowflakes just coming down. It's snowing heavily right now. I bet this is gonna be all patched up by tomorrow. It'll be all white. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this sudden update. Bye!